Imagine your brain as a busy city, bustling with neurons firing away to keep everything running smoothly. Down in this city, there's a tiny invisible battle going on all the time between antioxidants and pesky reactive oxygen species. These reactive oxygen species are like tiny sparks that can cause damage if they get out of control. In our brain city, and antioxidants as a brave fire brigade rushing to put it out. And people with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, especially in areas like prefrontal cortex, there's evidence that the oxidative stress might be a bit more intense. How do we measure this chaos? Scientists look at areas like malondialdehyde and A-oxy-7-dehydroguanine, fancy names for molecular footprints left behind by oxidative damage. These markers tell us if our brain's oxidative stress levels are high. To keep this stress in check, our body has an arsenal of antioxidants: superoxide, dismutase, catalase, glutathione, peroxidase, and glutathione. Think of them as the city's cleanup crew, constantly working to neutralize reactive oxygen species and keep everything in balance. Sometimes the oxidative status tips the scale, increasing what's called the oxidative stress index, reflecting a state of imbalance. Where does this happen? Mainly in the brain regions like the striatum, hippocampus, and cortex, each playing vital roles. The hippocampus is like the brain's memory bank. Oxidative stress there can affect learning and mood. It's not just about the brain cells themselves. Our immune system joins the party. Glial cells like microglia, astrocytes, and oligodendrocytes are the brain support crew and defenders. They release cytokines, chemokines, and prostaglandins, little signaling molecules that coordinate immune responses. Sometimes these signals can turn into a fiery inflammatory response when cells like neutrophils, monocytes, macrophages, and dendritic cells rush in, producing more reactive oxygen species and fueling the fire of oxidative stress even more. In summary, our brains are complex, dynamic cities constantly fighting off oxidative sparks with a sophisticated defense system. When this system is overwhelmed, it might contribute to conditions like we find in attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. But with understanding and some natural help, we can tip the scales back towards balance. After all, a healthy brain is a happy city.